Hey, I'm Taylor from the product team at Netlify, and I want to share a small demo of one of my favorite features on Netlify that launched earlier this year. It's the Why Did It Fail button for deploys. So I have this Astro app that I built with a lot of little tools. I have an AI alt text generator, and I recently added a UUID generator. And so you can see it's working locally. It's generating new IDs, and I'm ready now to go push that and kick off a deploy preview. And so here in my code, I'm going to do a git commit, and then I'm going to git push, and this will kick off a deploy in Netlify. So this is in a git branch. And so we will navigate next to Netlify app. Okay, so I'm in the Netlify app looking at the deploys, and the build has already failed. And we can see here it failed somewhere in the building process. Instead of having to look through the logs, let's just go ahead and click the Why Did It Fail button. And it's telling me that the import of UUID, somewhere wasn't in there. That module wasn't in there. And so let's go look that it's actually present in the package.json and check this out. And we'll see there is no UUID package here. And so let's go ahead and do an npm install of the UUID, and then add this and make a commit again. We're going to push this up to GitHub. This will kick off another commit. Now, this can be a common thing when you have some kind of module that you have locally, maybe it's globally installed. UUID has a CLI, so I might have been using that in the past and didn't realize that I didn't add it to my package.json. And so really strong. It works on my machine, vibes. So now we can go look and see if that is going to successfully build. So it's building right now in Netlify. And we'll see in a minute if that was the fix or if we need to do some more iterative fixes. Now, this button can help with all sorts of failures, including related to linting, TypeScript errors, versioning issues, a lot more. I find it really useful when you're needing to upgrade maybe a package. It's great for iterative debugging, going through multiple issues and knocking those out and getting to that successful build. And we can already see the deploy preview is available. And let's navigate then to that UUID generator, and look, it's working. So go deploy an app on Netlify, and if you have an unsuccessful build, which many of us will sometimes experience, try out the Why Did It Fail button and let us know what you think. We're constantly trying to improve it, and happy building.